Namo Namaha Chhatraha. Today we are going to learn Ukaranta Napusaklingi Naam, that is Madhu, and Kim Strilingi Sarvanam and Kim Napusaklingi Sarvanam. That means today we are going to learn one noun and two pronouns. First we'll see Ukaranta Napusaklingi Naam, that is Madhu. It is ending in U. First U. See, Madhu Madhuni Madhuni Prathama, Madhu Madhuni Madhuni Dvitiya, Madhuna Madhubhyam Madhubhihi Tritiya, Madhune Madhubhyam Madhubhyah Chaturthi, Madhunaha Madhubhyam Madhubhyah Panchami, Madhunaha Madhunoho Madhunam Shashti, Madhuni Madhunoho Madhush Saptami, Madhu Madhuni Madhunis Sambodhan. Now we'll see meaning or translation of this. Madhu, honey, Madhuni, honey, and Madhuni, honey. Remember, student, the word honey is itself plural. So we cannot say two honey in Dvivachan two honey and in Bahuvachan many honey. It is wrong. So in singular it will be honey, in dual it will be also honey, and in plural it will remain honey. Madhu, to honey, again to honey and to honey. Tritiya, by honey, Madhubhyam, by honey, Madhubhihi, by honey. Tritiya, meaning of Tritiya is by, due to, because of. So you can use any word from it. Madhune, for honey, Madhubhyam, for honey, Madhubhyaha, for honey. Madhunaha, from honey, Madhubhyam, from honey, Madhubhyaha, from honey. Madhunaha, of honey, Madhunoho, of honey, Madhunam, of honey. Madhuni, in oblique, on oblique, among honey. Madhunoho, in oblique, on oblique, in oblique, on oblique, among honey. And Madhushu, in oblique, on oblique, among honey. Now, Sambodhan, Madhu, O honey, and in Madhuni also, O honey. Now, students, remember, while learning, see, this is Prathama Dvivachan. Concentrate here, students. Madhuni, here ni is long and here ni is short. So, how you will pronounce? Madhu Madhuni Madhuni Prathama, Madhu Madhuni Madhuni Dvitiya, and right from Tritiya, you know, it will work like Bhanu. Only while pronouncing ni, you have to be careful. Again, in Sambodhan, Madhu Madhuni Madhuni Sambodhan. Now, homework for this. Vastu, Talu, Janu, all these words are ending in short U. So, they all will work like Madhu. For example, see. Vastu Vastuni, Vastuni Prathama. Vastu Vastuni, Vastuni Dvitiya. Vastuna, Vastubhyam, Vastubhihi Tritiya. Vastune, Vastubhyam, Vastubhyaha Chaturthi. Vastunaha, Vastubhyam, Vastubhyaha Panchami. Vastunaha, Vastunoho, Vastunam Shashti. Vastuni, Vastunoho, Vastushu Saptami. Vastu, Vastuni, Vastunis Sambodhan. Now see Talu. Talu, Taluni, Taluni Prathama. Talu, Taluni, Taluni Dvitiya. Taluna, Talubhyam, Talubhihi Tritiya. Talune, Talubhyam, Talubhyaha Chaturthi. Talunaha, Talubhyam, Talubhyaha Panchami. Talunaha, Talunoho, Talunam Shashti. Taluni, Talunoho, Talushu Saptami. Talu, Taluni, Talunis Sambodhan. Now we'll learn pronoun Kim feminine pronoun, that is Kim strilingi sarvanam. The word that is used instead of noun is called as pronoun. Now see, का के काहा प्रथमा, काम के काहा द्वितीया, कया काभ्याम काभिः तृतीया, कस्य काभ्याम काभ्यः चतुर्थी, कस्याः काभ्याम काभ्यः पंचमी, कस्याः कयोः कासां षष्ठी, कस्यां कयोः कासु सप्तमी. Ka means who, ke, who are these two and who are these all. Kam, to whom, ke, to whom, kaha, to whom. Kaya, by, due to, because of whom. Kabhyam, by, oblique, due to, oblique, because of whom. And kabhihi, by, due to, by, oblique, due to, oblique, because of whom. Kasyai, for whom. Kabhyam, for whom. Kabhyah, for whom. Kasyaha, from whom. Kabhyam, from whom. Kabhyah, for whom. Here you cannot say for to whom or for many whom. You cannot say. So I have written here for whom and for whom. Kasyaha, of whom. Kayoho, of whom. Kasam, of whom. Kasyam, in oblique, on oblique, among whom. Kayoho, in oblique, on oblique, among whom. And kasu, in oblique, on oblique, among whom. Students, while learning this, make the use of trick. Remember one trick. First you learn Tad Strilingi Sarvanam. As soon as you learn Tad Strilingi Sarvanam, this Kim Strilingi Sarvanam will be very easy for you. So what you'll do? First learn Tat Strilingi Sarvanam and just put K instead of T. Means Tam, Te, Taha Dvitiya. So put K instead of T. Kam, Ke, Kaha Dvitiya. Taya, Tabhyam, Tabhi Tritiya. Put K in place of T. Kaya, Kabhyam, Kabhi Tritiya. Tasya, Tabhyam, Tabhyah Chaturthi. Kasya, Kabhyam, Kabhyah Chaturthi. So here we have completed Kim Strilingi Sarvanam. Now we'll start for Kim Napusaklingi Sarvanam. Kim Napusaklingi Sarvanam, only Prathama Dvitiya are different than Kim Pullingi Sarvanam. Right from Tritiya up to Saptami, Kim Napusaklingi is same like Kim Pullingi. I'll repeat. Right from Tritiya up to Saptami, Kim Napusaklingi is just like Kim Pullingi. Only Prathama and Dvitiya of Kim Napusaklingi are different than Kim Pullingi. See, Kim ke kani Prathama, Kim ke kani Dvitiya, Kena kabhyam kaihi tritiya, Kasmai kabhyam kebhya chaturthi, Kasmat kabhyam kebhya panchami, Kasya kayoho kesham shashti, Kasmin kayoho keshu saptami. As it is pronoun, it has no sambodhan. Now see students, here also you have to remember one thing. First learn Tad Napusaklingi Sarvanam. As soon as you learn Tad Napusaklingi Sarvanam, you will able to learn Tad Kim Napusaklingi Sarvanam. You have to just put K in place of T and you'll able to learn Kim Napusaklingi Sarvanam. Students, here we have completed Ukaranta Napusaklingi Madhu, that is that is Madhu noun, Madhu neuter noun ending in U. We have also completed Kim feminine pronoun and Kim neuter pronoun. Now students, first learn Madhu, Kim Pullingi and Kim Napusaklingi, and after that write down their tables and check. Also write down the tables of Vastu, Talu and Janu. Thank you students.